second song.
Now we're going to learn our third song. The title of our third song is Jesus, You're My Number One.
And for our introduction, teacher.
Okay, now let's start. For our introduction, teachers, we're going to stretch both of our arms to the right, like that. And then we're going to shake to the left. 1, 2, 3, go. Shake, 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 shake. And then we're going to lift our foot. 1. Okay, after that, we're going to shake again to the right. Shake, 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 shake. Lift our foot. Lift. And then after that, using our right hand, we're going to reach for our seatbelt and then lock on our right side. Now, you are ready for our verse 1. For our verse 1, we're going to do Jesus like this, cross. Jesus, you're my number one. Left hand down, right hand down. And then we're going to jump straight like a number one. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. Okay, next, my leader, we're going to do a salute 2 times. 1, 2, 3, go. My leader and my friend, we're going to look for our partner. Lean to the right and then lean to the left. Very good. Once again, Jesus. Jesus, you're my number one. Beginning and the end, left hand up, right hand down, and then we're going to sway like an ocean. 1, 2, 3, go. Sway and sway. After that, we're going to face on our right side. We're going to do like this, and then we're going to roll while walking backwards. 1, 2, 3, go. You are the force that drives my car. Face to the left. We're going to push 2 times. 1, 2, 3, go. Push and push. Walk backwards again. Without your love. To the right side. We're going to drive to the left. Left and right. Once again, we're going to face at the center. We're going to point to Jesus. Jesus. Keep me in control. Left hand. Right hand. And then we're going to close. Open. And then we're going to drive while turning around. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to repeat again our verse 1. Teacher, chorus.
Okay, for our chorus, madali lamang po ito. Raise our right hand. And then imagine you are holding a flag. Then we will sway it to the left.
Sway.
It to the right. And then face it to your partner. You will do the kilig.
Kilig.
Then jump. And then muscle pose.
Muscle.
Then move it forward.
Forward
And
backward.
And then raise your right hand.
Right
Index
hand.
finger. We will do the up and down. Up
Yes.
and down. Alright?
Up and down. Up and down. And up and down.
And then we will do the Jesus.
Jesus.
You're my number one.
One.
Then we will do the freestyle,
Yes,
teachers.
anything you
Any
want.
dance you want. Okay.
Okay, lastly, for our outro, we're just going to point again to Jesus. 1, 2, 3, go. Jesus! And that's our third song. Let's try it with the music. Seatbelt. Jesus! Partner. 4. Jesus! An ocean roll. 1 and 2, push, push. To the left, to the right. Jesus. Circle once again. Salute. Friend. Jesus. Ocean. Then push, push. To the left, to the right. God, mine. Ready, go. Yeah. Kilig, jump. Let's point. Up, down, up, down. Very good. Freestyle. Wow, very good, teacher. Chorus once again. Sway, sway. Over. Jesus.